Hello. Welcome to the Ohio e-procurement video on submitting a Pcard purchase. The state of Ohio's e-procurement solution will fundamentally change how the state purchases goods and services by transforming procurement processes, policies, and contracts through the implementation of an innovative, proven, and secure cloud-based solution. E-procurement will provide the primary platform for you to do procurement activities with the state of Ohio, while the e-marketplace will provide an online shopping experience for you to purchase contract and non-contract items provided by supplier partners. Through these tools, the state will enhance and accelerate its order-to-pay process, which describes how goods and services are ordered, invoiced, and paid for. In terms of benefits, e-marketplace will provide a guided shopping experience to compare, select, and buy from suppliers. In addition, the state's processes will see increased efficiency through re-engineering, modernizing and standardizing practices. Lastly, these tools will increase transparency because of enhanced reporting capabilities that will benefit state agencies and suppliers. During this video, we will explain new terminology relating to the e-marketplace, search for and compare hosted catalog items, add hosted catalog items to a shopping cart, and submit a Pcard purchase. Prior to going into the e-procurement solution, let's review some of the key terms you will see referenced and used in the e-procurement solution. A purchase card, or Pcard, is a state-issued charge card that allows goods and services to be procured without using a traditional order-to-pay process. A hosted catalog is an internal web-based catalog maintained by the state and its agencies. Hosted catalog items are searchable directly within the e-marketplace. A punch-out catalog is an integrated external link to a supplier's web-based catalog. A user will browse the supplier's catalog and then return the items to their e-marketplace cart. A requisitioner is a Pcard user in the e-procurement solution. Requisitioners have access to the e-marketplace and can submit requisitions to request goods and services. A Pcard order is generated when a Pcard purchase is completed in the e-procurement solution and sent to a supplier indicating quantities and prices for goods and services for a Pcard purchase. The Pcard purchase process can be broken down into 4 main steps. Step 1. Browsing the e-marketplace. A requisitioner will log into the e-procurement solution to access the e-marketplace to search for goods or services they wish to purchase with their Pcard. Step 2. Adding items to a shopping cart. The requisitioner will add the items they wish to purchase to their shopping cart in the e-procurement solution. Step 3. Submitting the requisition. Once all of the necessary items have been added to their shopping cart, the requisitioner will complete the checkout process to submit their Pcard requisition. Step 4. Generating the Pcard order. After the requisition has been submitted, a Pcard order will be automatically created in the e-procurement solution to capture the purchase details. We will now demonstrate how to submit a Pcard purchase. To submit a card requisition, click the Catalogs button. Select Browse Items. The Browse Items page is displayed. On this page you can enter a variety of search terms to search for goods and services in the e-marketplace. For example, you can easily search by keyword, commodity, supplier, EOD status, and market type. In this example, we're going to search for t-shirts by entering t-shirts into the keywords field. Once search terms have been populated, click the search button. Search results are displayed. Any items that link to a market type will have special color-coded indicators in the detailed description field. Hovering over the indicator will display additional details. In this example, these 2 items are related to a mandatory DAS contract. You are also able to compare items side by side in the e-marketplace. Click the checkboxes for the items you wish to compare. Click the Compare Selected Items button to launch the comparison window. Details regarding the items are shown side by side. To close the comparison, click the Close button. Since the first black t-shirt is not only part of a mandatory DAS contract, but is 5 cents cheaper, Let's proceed with ordering it. Enter the quantity you wish to order. Click the Add to Cart button. At this point, the specified quantity has been added to our shopping cart. We can proceed with adding items as needed, or we can click the Go to Requisition button to start the checkout process. The checkout page is displayed. Any fields with a red line indicate a mandatory field that must be completed. For example, we must select an organization. In addition, the e-procurement solution will also display relevant alerts at the top of the page to help guide us. These notifications vary by the page that you're on and provide notifications for missing information, expiring documents, and new data that is required. There are two types of alerts. Blocking alerts. This type of alert will prevent you from completing a particular task, such as submitting your requisition until the stated action is completed. These alerts are indicated by the red stop sign icon. And caution alerts. This type of alert serves as a warning and is usually a request for additional information or documentation. These alerts are indicated by the yellow caution icon. Please note that a blocking alert will be displayed on the checkout page if you are trying to order more than $2,500 worth of goods or services from a single supplier on a single requisition. To continue the checkout process, update the label for your requisition to provide additional details regarding what you are purchasing. Enter and select your organization, which is the department or division that this requisition is for. After the organization field has been populated, the delivery address will automatically populate. If you need to add a different one-time address, click the plus icon. This process will be covered in a future training. Although not required, you can also select the fiscal year for the requisition. You can also add internal attachments, supplier attachments, justification documentation, internal comments, and supplier comments. Before we resolve the display blocking alert, let's navigate to the Pcard tab. Since we only have one card in our profile, it is defaulted on this field. Click the Save button. Navigate back to the Purchase Requisition tab. At the bottom of the page, the line items for the purchase are displayed. Click the pencil icon to view a particular line item's details. In this example, a blocking alert is displayed that indicates that we must select a supplier contact for this line item. This occurs whenever the supplier has more than one contact listed in their profile. Select a supplier contact. Any product features are displayed. In this example, we can specify the t-shirt size. If necessary, you can define a different delivery place for each line item. Click Save and Close. As you can see, the blocking alert no longer appears on the page, so we are now ready to submit our Pcard purchase. Click the Submit for Approval button. All Pcard purchases that do not contain any one-time addresses will automatically be approved and generate an associated Pcard order. The Pcard order will indicate quantities and prices for the items related to a Pcard purchase and is automatically sent to the associated supplier. You have reached the end of this video. If you have any questions, please email us at eprocurement@das.ohio.gov.